When we watch a sprinter explode from the blocks, we focus on the athlete, their power, their drive, their will to win. But beneath every record-breaking run is a silent partner, the track itself. For decades, tracks were just passive stages, cinder, clay, or basic rubber. But what if the track could help athletes run faster and safer? The shift from simple surfaces to high-tech polymers marks a revolution in athletics. Early tracks were uneven and injury-prone. Synthetic surfaces in the 1960s brought uniformity and shock absorption. But the real breakthrough came when engineers asked, how can the track return energy to the runner? Enter tuned tracks, engineered to maximize energy return without increasing injury risk. Mondo, an Italian company, has led this movement since 1987, treating the track as a biomechanical system. Each step is an energy transaction. The track absorbs force and returns a fraction. The challenge? Maximize that return, keep athletes safe. Today's Mondotrack Ellipse Impulse is the result of decades of research, a track designed to help athletes break records while respecting the planet. This is how the running track became a springboard to the future of sport. The secret of the Mondotrack Ellipse Impulse is in its name, the ellipse. Working with Politecnico di Milano, Mondo reimagined the track's subbase, integrating a network of elliptical air cells. Unlike traditional shapes, ellipses compress and rebound efficiently, minimizing energy loss. When an athlete lands, these cells deform and spring back instantly, returning more energy to the runner. It's like a subtle push with every step, helping maintain momentum. The surface also features a non-directional tessellation for uniform grip and new embossing for enhanced traction. Athletes can trust the track, applying maximum force without fear of slipping. Spikes don't need to dig as deep, reducing ground contact time and boosting speed. The combination of elliptical cells, advanced grip, and durability creates a surface that works in harmony with the human body. It's built to withstand years of elite competition and training. This isn't just about one fast race, it's about consistent, long-term performance. The track is engineered for both speed and reliability. Counterintuitively, the Mondotrack Ellipse Impulse is softer than its predecessors, yet faster. Traditionally, softer meant slower, but this track defies that logic. Its elliptical air cells cushion impact, reducing stress on joints and muscles. Athletes report feeling less fatigued and recovering faster after hard workouts. This means more consistent training and fewer injuries. But softness doesn't sacrifice speed. The track's energy return is so efficient, runners maintain pace with less effort. Shorter ground contact time means faster stride frequency. The track helps athletes get their foot up and forward more quickly, powering each stride. At the Paris 2024 Olympics, the results spoke for themselves. 14 Olympic and 90 Paralympic records shattered. These aren't coincidences, they're the result of a track that amplifies performance while reducing strain. The Mondotrack Ellipse Impulse sets a new standard. Less wear on the body, more speed on the clock. It's a surface that makes the impossible possible. The future of fast is also the future of safe. The Mondotrack Ellipse Impulse isn't just about performance, it's a story of sustainability. Mondo's rigorous life cycle assessment led to a 24% reduction in carbon footprint compared to previous models. Up to 40% of the track's formula is recycled material, including natural rubber from end-of-life products. This circular approach transforms waste into a world-class athletic surface. The track also includes up to 10% renewable ingredients, reducing reliance on petroleum-based resources. Mondo proves athletes don't have to choose between speed and sustainability. The result? A track that's as green as it is fast. Excellence in sport now goes hand in hand with responsibility to the planet. One of Mondo's most creative sustainability moves? Using mussel shells. In partnership with Adidas, Mondo sources calcium carbonate from crushed shells, a food industry byproduct. This offsets the carbon emissions of a diesel car driving 60,000 kilometers for every track built. The track's solid, vulcanized rubber construction prevents microplastic pollution, unlike many synthetic surfaces. No loose particles, no runoff, just a stable, non-polluting surface. This design protects both global climate and local ecosystems. Every race on the Mondotrack Ellipse Impulse is a win for the environment. Sustainability is built into every layer. The track is clean in both appearance and essence. Mondo and World Athletics have shaped the sport together since 1987. Their partnership has delivered the surfaces where history is made. 13 Olympic Games, and now, the 15th World Athletics Championships in Tokyo. Mondo's push beyond limits philosophy drives constant innovation, informed by feedback from athletes and coaches. World Athletics provides the stage, Mondo delivers the surface. This virtuous cycle means every championship refines the track for the next. The Mondotrack Ellipse Impulse is the pinnacle of this collaboration: performance, safety, and sustainability in one. When World Athletics chose this track for Paris and Tokyo, it was a vote of confidence in Mondo's vision. This partnership is a legacy of excellence, shaping the very ground of modern athletics. The World Athletics Championships Tokyo 2025 will showcase the vibrant purple Mondotrack Ellipse Impulse. After its record-breaking debut in Paris, expectations are sky-high. Athletes trust this surface, freeing them to push their limits. We'll likely see personal bests, national and world records fall, but the track's impact goes beyond elite sport. It sets a new global standard for sustainable, high-performance infrastructure. Tokyo's legacy will be measured in medals and an inspiration for greener, better venues worldwide. The Mondotrack Ellipse Impulse is more than a track, it's a symbol of progress. As the starting gun fires, we witness the next step in the evolution of sport. The future is fast, and it's green.